Yeah, there's a little kink in there, isn't it?
Yeah, not too bad.
No. Go easy on the gnarly descent if it gets really rocky. Well, day 3 of the Traws Eryri. We are back on the road. We're heading back to the route. We're not there yet. Going back a slightly different way, chopping a little bit off after the traumas of last night. So it's been quite an eventful morning. Matt was up first thing, working on Gary's bike, trying to true that wheel the best he could. He's managed to put tension in all the spokes. It's still showing a bit of a buckle, but a bit bowed, but he's pretty comfortable with it. We also had a puncher with Andy. Lots of faffing around this morning. Breakfast wasn't served until 8:30, so it was a bit of a later start. By the time we got going, 11 o'clock. But today is going to be slightly shorter, just around 50k. Still plenty of climbs, and we're on the second one already, and we haven't even made the Traws Eryri route yet. But the views are spectacular, and the weather is warm, man. Warm and dry so far. Might rain later, but shouldn't be too bad on that front.
I'm wearing my road bike shorts today, and I'm like, the difference in comfort is like, it's on a velvet, you know, cushion.
Whoa, whoa. Lovely, isn't it? How'd you do that?
I got needled in the local store.
Well, we're back en route on a very nice B road. Long climb, but it is absolutely stunning here. Yeah, it's a long climb. I think we're on this road quite a while too before the off-road section starts. But wow, look at it here.
My respect for you has been growing.
No,
Suddenly.
no,
It's taken a massive tumble.
no. Look, it's what I'm having.
You've been winning the whole time. Suddenly this happened.
Do you know what animal that's made from?
Well, I couldn't, it's not a singular animal.
No one knows, mate. No one knows.
Screw wheel.
We maybe hide behind the wall and I'll leave the camera out and we'll just watch him go straight on. Today's definitely the nicest weather day we've had. We are getting spells of sun when it's really pleasantly warm, even though it's a bit grey up ahead. The short sleeves today, and it's very welcome. And this road is, oh god, I don't need to be on a mountain bike really, but it is stunning. Wales just keeps on giving. Every time you think you're at the top of the climb, you gotta get to the top of a brow of a hill, and then it opens up to another hill. Oh my god, hiya. Is this where we turn and go up?
So yeah,
Oh, it's that one.
We carry on there. That takes us to Pen Macho, and then that's basically where we go off road. Then, so it's at that point we can make the choice as to what Gary wants to do.
How are you feeling, Gary? It's not good.
Yeah.
He's gone delirious.
Yeah.
Wow. That was one of the best descents I think I've ever been down. Oh, reminded me of Scotland, NC 500. That was incredible. Just waiting on Gary. He has to go down a bit slower because of his wheel. He was taking it a bit easy, but he's not appeared. That's just going back to check, see if you can see him. I did pass him quite near the top, so he's probably quite far behind us. Can you see him?
Yeah.
All right, good. He's coming. Rain jacket's on. We can see rain up ahead, so yeah, it has started to spit now, so we got in early, got them on. Try and stay dry underneath if possible. It is properly raining, and it wasn't really supposed to rain today. Trip's taking a bit of a turn for the worse. Got caught in a very heavy rain shower and I was soaked through. Starting to get cold. Borrowed a jacket off Kev, so that's helped a little bit. Gary's not well, so he's gone back to the hotel on like a short route, straight on the road. And we are climbing up through Betws-y-Coed. Betws-y-Coed, yeah. And it's still raining. And it looks like it could be raining for a while. So not going to be able to do much filming because it's just too wet. Okay, things have improved a bit. Still pretty wet, but we've just done a long climb, so I've not got really cold, and it has stopped raining, and we're still largely going up on like this fire road, but conditions have eased a bit. I should say though, I am still wearing 2 rain jackets and a gilet, and I'm not hot, and I'm climbing. But if it doesn't rain anymore, I am going to slowly dry out. Who knows, we may even see the sun again. And this is lovely, right in the middle of a forest. Looks pretty smooth, but it's actually a bit bumpy, this surface. Gary's arrived at the hotel.
Already?
Yeah.
God.
He says it's a shithole.
No.
So we're about, roughly speaking, we're about 20 miles out.
When did that become not far?
It was 30k, it's now 20 miles, which is 32k.
Okay.
We are now getting further away. That was good, wasn't it? We're literally travelling in the wrong direction. Turning around, going back where we came. Not an ideal end to a day's riding. One more day to do on the Traws Eryri. One more day to do on the Traws Eryri. I think my pronunciation is getting worse, more times I say it. I'm going the wrong way. Final day tomorrow, day 4. We need to do something about Gary's bike. It kind of got us through the day, but it didn't feel great for him when he started getting onto the really gnarly stuff. So he's going to be looking for bike shops, maybe hire a bike, can we get it repaired? Tomorrow is another pretty big day as well. There is a lot of climbing on this route. I'm pleased we went for 4 days. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. What's up? I don't know where they are.
What?
I don't know where they are.